More than 30 years ago, I came across an idea, and the idea was just to improve yourself 1% every day. Now, with that idea in mind, in this Ramzan, I'm starting a new online program. It's a free program. It will be available through my YouTube channel. And the idea is that every single day throughout this Ramzan, inshallah ta'ala, I'll share with you a lesson from NLP, a practical application of NLP, which you can use in your life to become a better human being, to become a better Muslim, to connect better with Allah ta'ala. And I'll share with you whatever little I know as best as I can, that you share with you some exercises, take responsibility, and you do those exercises so you can benefit from them. So just make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon so you get the notification, and feel free to share this video and any other videos that you get from me with anyone. So more and more good spreads around the world. The world becomes a better place for everyone to live. So I will see you in the next video.